Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you how to earn money on Kick. Now, there are several different ways how you can earn money on Kick. Primary way is through subscriptions. So let me show you how. So for example, if I click on this streamer right here,
I'll blind it.
if we pause the stream here, we can see that we can subscribe to this streamer for $5 per month, or I think it's like per month deal, not sure. But basically, yeah, support every month and subscribe to help Destiny keep doing what they're doing. So as you can see, we can either give them a sub or subscribe, for $5 a month. So basically, where's this money going to? So basically, what you'll need to do in order to earn money with Kick, you'll need to set up Kick subscriptions. So you'll need to go to the revenue dashboard from your creator dashboard. And here you'll need to select your country and set up your Stripe account. So you need to set up your Stripe account. From there, you'll need to verify your Stripe account here with all the details, right? And then at the end, they will basically tell you if you're being approved or not for subscriptions with Kick. Now, this is one way of making money on Kick. Now, obviously, another way is through donations. You make money through donations on Kick as well. But to be honest, the best way to start earning money is to just start streaming and have a schedule. So if you are streaming every single Monday, make sure you stream every single Monday, 3 p.m., right? And have a strict schedule and do this for like a couple of months, and you'll be able to see, you'll be able to see some really great growth, and people will also you will actually make money because people will also support you and your stream. So this is the only main way how you can make money on obviously Kick.com. Now obviously Kick.com will hire like a lot of streamers to come to the platform, and then they will be able to give you money to promote them, but that's like in really rare cases. So yeah, that's basically how you can earn money on Kick. If you have any questions or comments, comment down below, and we'll see you in the next video.